Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. As students, we're always looking for ways to enhance our productivity and make our lives easier. Today, we've compiled a list of 19 student gadgets that are worth investing in. These gadgets will not only simplify your academic journey, but also add a touch of convenience and fun to your daily life. So, let's dive in and discover these must-have gadgets. Starting off, we have a smart notebook. Say goodbye to endless stacks of paper and hello to digital note-taking. Smart notebooks allow you to write or draw using a special pen and then instantly transfer your notes to your smartphone or computer. It's a fantastic tool for staying organized and reducing paper clutter. Next up, we have the portable charger. As students, we rely heavily on our smartphones and other devices for studying and communication. A portable charger ensures that you never run out of battery power during a long day on campus or while traveling. It's a lifesaver. Now let's talk about noise-canceling headphones. These gadgets are perfect for studying in noisy environments or blocking out distractions during important tasks. With high-quality sound and the ability to immerse yourself in your work, noise-canceling headphones are a valuable asset for any student. Up next, we have the Ereader. Carrying heavy textbooks can be a burden, but with an e-reader, you can have all your books in one lightweight device. E-readers also offer features like adjustable font sizes, built-in dictionaries, and the ability to highlight and take notes. They are a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional books. Moving on, let's talk about wireless earbuds. These compact and wireless gadgets are great for listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, while on the go or during workouts. They offer freedom of movement and eliminate tangled wires, making them a must-have for active students. Now let's explore the Smart Planner. Gone are the days of forgetting important deadlines and appointments. Smart Planners sync with your devices and help you stay organized with reminders, task lists, and goal tracking. They are a digital upgrade to traditional planners and an essential tool for staying on top of your schedule. Up next, we have the laptop cooling pad. As students, we often find ourselves spending long hours working on our laptops. A cooling pad helps prevent overheating, improves airflow, and keeps your laptop running smoothly. It's a simple yet effective accessory to protect your valuable device. Now, let's discuss the Bluetooth tracker. Have you ever misplaced your keys or other essentials? A Bluetooth tracker is a small device that attaches to your belongings and connects to your smartphone. It helps you locate your items quickly, saving you valuable time and stress. Moving on, we have the portable scanner. A portable scanner allows you to digitize documents, notes, and receipts with ease. It's a handy gadget for students who want to reduce paper clutter and easily organize their important documents. Next up, we have a smart backpack. These backpacks are designed with tech-savvy students in mind. They feature built-in charging ports for your devices, anti-theft features, and compartments designed specifically for laptops and tablets. A smart backpack keeps your belongings safe and organized while keeping you connected. Now, let's talk about the Smart Pen. Smart pens capture your handwritten notes digitally in real time. They often come with features like audio recording and handwriting recognition. A smart pen is a fantastic tool for students who prefer the traditional pen and paper experience but want the convenience of digital storage. Up next, we have the Smart Water Bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial for optimal brain function. Smart water bottles remind you to drink water regularly and track your water intake. They are a fantastic way to ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day. Moving on, let's explore the wireless presenter. If you frequently give presentations or participate in group discussions, a wireless presenter is a game changer. It allows you to control your slides from a distance, giving you the freedom to move and engage with your audience. Now, let's discuss the voice recorder. Voice recorders are invaluable for recording lectures, interviews, or important discussions. They capture audio with clarity and precision, ensuring you never miss a crucial piece of information. Up next, we have the Multiport USB Hub. With so many devices that require USB connections, a Multiport USB Hub expands your device's connectivity options. It allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously, making it easier to transfer files and charge your gadgets. Now, let's talk about the smart alarm clock. A smart alarm clock gradually wakes you up with gentle sounds or simulated sunlight, mimicking a natural sunrise. It helps you start your day on a positive note and can improve your overall sleep-wake cycle. Moving on, we have the lap desk. A lap desk provides a comfortable surface for studying or working on your laptop while sitting or lying in bed. It helps maintain proper posture and prevents overheating of your laptop. Now, let's explore the wireless printer. A wireless printer allows you to print from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop without the need for cables. It's a convenient gadget for printing assignments, research papers, or any other necessary documents. Last but certainly not least, we have the Smart Fitness Tracker. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for students. Smart fitness trackers monitor your activity levels, heart rate, sleep quality, and more. They motivate you to stay active and help you maintain a balanced lifestyle. And there you have it, 19 student gadgets that are worth investing in. These gadgets offer practicality, convenience, and enhance your overall student experience. We hope you found this list helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time.